Hi students, this is Mrs. Nelson and I want to show you how to do this Google Docs Lesson 1. What you need to do is to go into your course, go into 3rd grade. Please click on the Google Docs Lesson 1. Then your class will show up. Your tabs will look just a little bit different from mine. You need to click on My Document, which I'm going to open this. And make sure that you have it all the way open. You'll see that there's a little box with an arrow in it will be up here for you, and you need to click on that to make sure that you have full screen. So this is what the document looks like. It's called Get to Know the Toolbar number 1. What I want you to do is to delete the text, type your first and last name below. So you need to go move your cursor down and type your first and last name. It says now change the font. So I want to change the font to something that I like. Change the size so the name fits on one line. I'm going to try 68. Whoa, that got big, but that's what I want. Change the color of the letters. I'm going to go ahead and change it. Click on the text color. I'm feeling red. And center it. We go up to the toolbar to the align and select center. Then we want to copy and paste. What you will do is you will copy, so you'll click on the zebra and you will select Command C to copy, and then you need to find the zebra box and paste, Control V to put it in there. So you will have now 2 zebras. Then you're going to do the same with the gorilla. Copy, Control V and paste. The kitty, Control C. The cat, Control V. You know what? And it will spread out on the page. That's okay. We'll go do the dog, Control C. Click on it, paste it. Make sure you paste and you put the cursor where you want it to be. Control V. And then one more, the lion, Control C. And go to the lion, Control V. So now I've copied and pasted those. So it says, remember, you are making a copy, so you should have 2 of each of the picture when you are finished, which I do. Now, this one, I am going to move it down so I have it all in one, and it's saying copy and paste. So I'm going to Control C and paste Control V. Volleyball, Control C, copy it, Control V. So we're copying and pasting the word to the matching box and track. Control C, Control V. Gymnastics, Control C, Control V. Then what we want to do is make the words Hassan Elementary. It asks for them to be bold. So we highlight them, push the B, make it italics, highlight, push the italics, highlight, and push the underline. Next, it's going to ask to number the following list. So we highlight and go over to our toolbar, and there's the number. So that gives us a number list. Bullet the following. We're going to highlight the text and click on the bullet on the toolbar, and that gives us bullet points. And then last but not least, we're going to check the spelling. You could go up to Tools and Spelling and say Spell Check, and you can spell check this way and click on Change once you make sure that you have the right word. Or if you don't want to use that way and you don't always have that spell check option available, you click in the middle of the word with 2 fingers and it gives you an option to change the text. So this option is a little bit quicker for this assignment, but you don't always have the option, and you want to make sure you read the word to make sure it's giving you the correct version. Then you are all finished, and when you are done, you will go back to Google and there is a Submit Assignment button that will be right there, and you'll want to go ahead and submit it. So this is how we do Google Docs Toolbar number 1. Thank you.